everyone, welcome back for another video. So today's video is going to be super fun. I'm actually going to be reviewing SXC Cosmetics. They came out with a bunch of new stuff and they actually sent it out to me. I did reach out to them though, but I'll talk about that later. So we're just going to get right into this video. So the first one that I'm going to unbox is called the SXC Gray Nude Pink Collection. And obviously it comes with the instructions, how to put them on, take them off. And it also comes with this beautiful lamp. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this, guys. I cannot wait to show you what it looks like. But I'm going to show you this stuff first. It comes with a bag of nail essentials. It comes with these toe separators, a 180 grit file, a cuticle nipper, I think that's what it's called. It comes with a brush. Another brush, nail brush, as well as, I think this is a buffer, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so it comes with that, and then it comes with a cuticle pusher as well, which is needed because I needed a new one. So we're gonna go into these gel polishes now. It comes with 6 gel polishes ranging from nude to gray. It comes with a cuticle oil, a matte top coat, a base coat, and a regular top coat. This is the cuticle oil. It has like a fresh scent to it. I do like it. It's not overpowering. This is the matte top coat. The top of the matte top coat is matte, and then the regular top coat has like a clear, not clear, but shiny top to it, so you could tell the difference. I guess it was very helpful. That was the consistency of the top coat. This is the consistency of the matte top coat. And this is the base gel here. So we're gonna get right into the swatches. This is SX02. It's like a white gray color, if that makes sense. I'm sorry. This is number 3. This is like a warmer gray. And that's what it looks like. 4 is like a coral, I want to say like a salmony pink. My favorite out of the collection. I don't have swatch sticks, guys, I'm sorry. And then the next one is like a dusty rose, like purple. I do like that color, like a mauve color, I guess. Number 6 is like a baby pink. And then I did get it mixed up, I'm sorry, guys. And then number 1 is a darker gray. And this is the lamp, you guys. It is so cute. I saw this, I don't know where I saw it, but I was on AliExpress trying to find it. It comes with a 5-second, a 10-second, a 5-second, a 30-second, and a 60-second. It has these little magnet pieces that you see the screws on that. You just pop it right on. It's a 48-watt lamp. I do use it for this video, and from now on I took my old one off. I don't use that one no more, but I use this one. It does come with the cord as well. And the next thing I'm going to unbox is their gel liners. So exciting! But here is the instructions. It does come with 12 liners. It's like the rainbow colors, so it's a perfect beginners. I'm kind of mad at myself because I just bought some, but it's fine because the more the merrier. But you get a bunch of different colors, which is perfect. Perfect for beginners. So I'm going to use this same paper to swatch these colors. This is the first one. This one is called Cheerful Bliss. It's like a pink color. The next one is like a neon pink. This one is called Pinky Pink. I love that color. I guess I'm a pink person now, but I love that color. The next one is purple, and it's called Innocence Purple. And this one is called Valentine's Day. Obvious. It's red. It's beautiful. This one is called Neon Carrot. Now this one was way different than the sticker, and it's completely fine. It's not a big deal to me, but it was really different. This one is called Baby Banana. It's like a neon yellow. This one is called Neon Green. This blue one is Sunshine Blue. And then we have our basic white. This is called Pure White. And Pure Black. A must-have in any collection is white and black. And then we have Sparkling Silver. I'm so excited to use these. The two glitter colors, and then we have Sparkling Gold. And those are the 12 colors that come in the kit, you guys. And these are after I've cured them. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our nail set today. I'm going to use these extra large stiletto full cover tips from Amazon. I also pulled out this as well. They sent this to me as well. It is their their glue gel. This is a 15 ml bottle. It's like a 3-in-1. It's a nail glue, a base coat, and a slip solution. So I love a thick base. I love it. So I'm going to use these actually to adhere to my nails. Super thick. Yes, guys, I love it. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the full cover tip, and then I'm gonna start at the cuticle. First I'm gonna turn my lamp on, and then I'm going to start it at the cuticle for pressing it down and then putting it under the lamp. And then I just do a quick flash cure, and this is the after all the nails are on. So I'm gonna go in and buff the shine off of all the nails. And I'm going to use that brush that came in one of the kits and brush the dust off. And I'm going to use that 3-in-1 glue gel again as a base coat. And it went on so smooth, guys. I absolutely love this base gel or glue gel. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna see if I can use it as a top coat. I like it that much. Maybe not, I don't know. But I do really like it. It was so smooth to go on. I didn't yellow the nail. So after I apply that, I'm going to cure. And I do that to all the nails. And then I'm gonna go in with this, the number 4 gel. I did forget to mention that these are 8 ml bottles. The gels, the top coats, all that, they were all 8 ml. I'm going to go in with a thin coat of this on all the nails as well. This color is so pretty, especially with my skin tone. I absolutely love this color, especially for this time of year. It just screams springtime. So I did get some on my skin, so I do go in with a brush and alcohol and just wipe that off before I cure. And then I do cure all the nails for 60 seconds. And this is the color, this is how the nails are looking so far. I am obsessed. I love this color on my skin tone, or with my skin tone. It's just so pretty. I was gonna apply a second coat, and I was like, no, I like that it's kind of see-through. I really like that. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. I could have left it at that and been fine. But I'm gonna apply a matte top coat. I saw this on Emily Susanna. She does this when she does nail art. So I wanted to give it a try. Because I usually use top coat. But I wanted to try this technique because she does it all the time when she does her nail art. So I just apply a thin coat of that matte top coat. And then I cure that for 60 seconds, and this is what they look like. I could have been so fine leaving it like this. I was obsessed. So I'm gonna go in with this number 3. It's like that lighter gray color. And then I'm gonna pull out some of these gel liners. I only end up using 2. I used the purple one, and then I believe it's the pinky pink, the neon pink color. And I wouldn't know what you would call this nail design, but I just draw a bunch of lines on the nails using the different colors. I just wanted to give like the liners a good try. And I love how this set turned out. The different, I used the 3 different colors. The colors went well together. So you are going to want to make sure to use the, if you do like make the line a little crooked, just go in with a brush and wipe it away. So I'm just going to clean up my lines, and then I'm going to add more. And I pretty much do that to all the nails. Like I do different, styles and designs on each nail is different. On the ring finger, I don't do any line work. I'm going to actually put rhinestones on that. So I'm just going to let this play out. But I did want to mention SXC Cosmetics did post on their Instagram, like they came out with, I think it was 10 new products. And if you wanted to try it, to review it, just to message them. And I messaged them. So they sent this to me. And I'm so grateful. Like this is the first like PR package I got, so I'm so super excited. I'm trying to like make it perfect because I really enjoy doing nails. So this is so much fun for me. So yeah, so that was it. I just reached out to them and they sent this to me. All of it. So there, I think it's gonna be like 2 or 3 parts. It depends. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue on doing the nail design and let this play out. I do cure in between, like after each line I do cure it for, I don't know, like 10-30 seconds just to make sure it's dry. And then I go on to the next nail, the next line. I just do like 3 lines per nail in the different colors. The gel liners are 8 ml bottles, so you do get a bunch of product in each bottle. So after I am finished with all the nails, the nail art, I'm going to go in with the top coat that came with the kit. And I top coat all the nails and then I cure for 60 seconds. I did want to mention quick that if you could see that the first 2 nails I did were a lot skinnier than the other ones, I do go back at the end and fix that. You can see at the end of the video the difference. On this top coat as well, it went on smooth and the application was nice. I did make sure I went in and wiped around my cuticle area if I did get any on my skin before I cured. But yes, I did like the matte top coat, the top coat. I didn't use the base gel, the base coat. I enjoyed this kit. It was amazing. The colors are beautiful, beautiful colors, and I really enjoyed using the liner brushes as well. All these kits are available on their website. Everything will be linked down below. If you go on their website, you can use Nails by Chris and get 15% off your order. My code doesn't work on Amazon, but it don't matter. Shop wherever you like. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that as well. That's Nails by Chris for 15% off only on the SXC Cosmetics website. And I will make sure to link it down below. So here I'm going to go in with that 3-in-1 glue gel, and I'm going to use that to adhere my rhinestones. I'm just going to put a generous amount of that down the middle of the nail. And then I'm going to go in with these rhinestones. I got these on AliExpress. I will link them down below for you guys also. They are these beautiful purple color, like transparent. So freaking pretty. So pretty, you guys. I'm just going to apply those, make sure I straighten them out, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. And this is what the nails look like so far. So we're going to go in with this cuticle oil. I love this cuticle oil. It's not like too thick, I guess you would say. It's a perfect consistency, and this is a set, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. The colors, everything, beautiful. The application, I absolutely love these kits. Everything will be linked down below for you guys to try out. Don't forget to use my code. Oh my gosh. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day or night. Stay tuned for part 2, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.